The Rise of Evil in a film series. In 1775, four holy women arrived at a nunnery with a strange chest from the Spanish ship. That night, a dark force is unleashed, killing them one by one. In 2025, during a Halloween party in an abandoned hotel, guests are hunted by a mysterious killer. As they try to escape, they discover the killer may not be human. By 2015, a deadly drought has turned the Philippines into a wasteland ruled by a new heat-born aswang serving in a dark being called Bestia. A former farmer turned monster hunter uncovers a terrifying family link to this evil. This is a horror movie written by Alex Castor, Onay Sales, and Gina Marisa Tagasa. The film has the following as its lead actress, Ivana Alawi, Tiam Smith, Luisa Andalio, Ashley Ortega, Isabel Ortega, Elijah Alejo, Carla Abellana, Marilyn Reyes, Janice de Belen, Francine Diaz, and Kyla Estrada. Lead actors are Richard Gutierrez, Ryan Bang, Seth Fedelin, J.N. Ibarra, and Dustin Yu. The title of the film is Shake, Rattle, and Roll, Evil Origins. Production, Regal Entertainment. Director, Shugok Naiko, Joey De Guzman, and Ian Loreños.
Nagbabalik ang Shake, Rattle, and Roll.
Kasabay ng MMFF ang pagdami ng Shake, Rattle, and Roll films. And we love it.
I love it!
It's part of our culture.